Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update HubSpot meetings links to schedule with Stripe payments step by step clearly. Open your HubSpot account and navigate to the settings page. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Objects. Under Objects, select Meetings. Click on the Meeting Links tab at the top of the page. Choose the meeting link you want to update. In the Meeting Link settings, scroll down to the Payment Options section. Click the Add Payment button. You will be prompted to connect your Stripe account. Follow the instructions to log into your Stripe account and authorize HubSpot. Once connected, you can set your payment amount for the meeting. Enter the amount you wish to charge clients for scheduling. You can also include information about the refund policy and cancellation terms. Next, configure the payment settings for currency and payment options. Make sure to review your choices for confirmation and cancellation emails. After all settings are configured, click Save to apply the changes. Your meeting link is now updated with Stripe payment integration. Copy the updated meeting link to share with clients. Test the new link to ensure everything is functioning correctly. You're now ready to schedule meetings with integrated payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.